A soldering iron kit with adjustable temperature and fast heat up is perfect for precision welding tasks. Its portable design and digital controls allow users to customize settings for various materials. Ideal for electronics, DIY repairs, and crafting, the smart electric welding station ensures efficiency and safety. This versatile tool is a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike. So, let's get started. Number 5. QUECOO T85 Electric Soldering Iron Kit. The electric soldering iron kit is a highly efficient and portable soldering tool designed for precision and ease of use. With advanced features and a lightweight build, this kit is ideal for professionals and hobbyists working on intricate soldering projects or quick repairs. Wide temperature control range. Adjustable from 80 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, catering to various soldering needs. Dual power interface. Features USB Type-C and DC interfaces, ensuring versatile power supply options. Fast charging support. Compatible with PD and QC protocols, enabling quick and reliable charging. Flexible voltage input. Operates on 9-24 volt, making it suitable for multiple power sources. OLED display. A 0.87-inch OLED screen, 128 by 32 pixels, provides clear temperature readings and settings. Customizable units and languages. Switch between degree C/degree F and English/Chinese for user convenience. Ergonomic and lightweight. Weighing only 37 g, with a 114 mm handle and compact build, the T85 ensures comfortable and fatigue-free operation. Efficient power output. Delivers 96 watts DC and 65 watts PD, ensuring rapid heating and consistent performance. High-quality build. A durable plastic handle enhances grip and safety, while the soldering tip features a 100 mm length and 5.5 mm diameter for precision. The QUECOO T85 Electric Soldering Iron Kit is the perfect balance of power, portability, and precision. Its smart design includes fast heating, efficient power management, and an easy-to-read display, making it ideal for on-the-go repairs or detailed soldering tasks. Whether for electronics repair, DIY projects, or professional use, the QUECOO T85 ensures exceptional performance and reliability. The next is Number 4. Novalife TIS-101 Electric Soldering Iron. The electric soldering iron is an advanced and portable soldering solution that combines precision and versatility. Designed as an upgrade to the popular TS-100 model, this smart device is perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike, offering robust features in a compact form factor. Smart technology. The TIS-101 is a smart soldering device, enhancing usability with advanced features like intelligent temperature control. Compact design. At just 168 mm in length, the TIS-101 is lightweight and portable, perfect for on-the-go soldering tasks. Powerful performance. With a power output of 65 watts DC and 90 watts PD, it delivers high-efficiency performance for various soldering needs. Versatile voltage input. Compatible with DC 9-24 volt and PD 3.09-28 volt, the TIS-101 can be powered by multiple sources, including power banks, laptops, and wall adapters. Wide temperature range. Offers an adjustable temperature range from 50 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius, accommodating a variety of soldering materials and techniques. Temperature stability. With a stability of 2%, it ensures consistent heat application for precise soldering. Certified quality. Certified by C and FCC, the TIS-101 adheres to global standards for safety and performance. Upgraded design. The TIS-101 improves upon its predecessor, offering better ergonomics, enhanced functionality, and compatibility with popular soldering tips. The Novalife TIS-101 electric soldering iron is a versatile and reliable tool, perfect for small electronics, repair tasks, and intricate soldering projects. Its smart features, portability, and precision make it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Upgrade your soldering experience with this cutting-edge device from Novalife. The next is Number 3. ALIENTEK T80/T80P Soldering Iron. The soldering iron combines cutting-edge technology and ergonomic design to deliver a powerful, efficient, and portable soldering experience. ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This 100 watts digital welding station is built for precision and convenience. Versatile power supply. Equipped with a Type-C interface, it supports PD and QC fast charge protocols, making it compatible with modern power solutions. OLED display. The integrated OLED screen ensures clear visibility of the working status, including temperature and power levels. Wide voltage range. Operates seamlessly within a 9-20 volt voltage range, offering flexibility for various tasks. Adjustable heating power. Provides an adjustable heating power range from 18 watts to 100 watts, catering to different soldering needs. Rapid heating. Achieves tin melting in just 2 seconds at 100 watts, ensuring fast and efficient operation. Stable performance. Boasts fast temperature recovery and maintains 2% temperature stability, making it ideal for challenging soldering tasks. Energy efficiency. Features intelligent induction to conserve energy when idle, enhancing sustainability. Compact design. Its small size and portability make it easy to carry for on-the-go professionals. Ergonomic handle. The specially designed handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. The ALIENTEK T80/T80P soldering iron stands out with its fast heating, precise temperature control, and smart energy-saving features. Whether tackling intricate soldering projects or heavy-duty repairs, this tool offers reliability and convenience. Its compact design and compatibility with modern power sources make it a top choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Experience unmatched soldering precision with ALIENTEK T80/T80P. The next is Number 2. FMchip Original TIS-101 Soldering Iron. The soldering iron is a significant upgrade from the TIS-100, offering a blend of ergonomic design, cutting-edge technology, and user-friendly features. This portable soldering tool is perfect for professionals and hobbyists seeking efficiency and precision. Enhanced design. The TIS-101 boasts a more ergonomic design with an anti-slip plastic handle and pluggable ball nut tip installation. A larger OLED screen provides comprehensive information for better control. Smart control system. Embedded with a smart MCU processor, it ensures stable heating and precise temperature monitoring. Features like auto-sleep, standby, and intelligent temperature compensation enhance efficiency. Firmware updates are also supported for continuous improvement. Rapid heating performance. The internal heating design integrates dual temperature sensors and an acceleration extreme feature, allowing the iron to reach its set temperature within seconds. Customizable heating modes. Offers 3 default heating settings and a 1-key turbo boost mode for quicker soldering, saving valuable time. Versatile power options. Operates on 9 volts minus 24 volt low working voltage with dual power jacks, DC 5525 and USB Type-C. Compatible with power banks, laptop chargers, or quick chargers, ensuring portability. Durable components. Includes a silicone rubber USB-C cable with high temperature resistance for durability and reliability during demanding tasks. Portable and lightweight. The pen-shaped design and 33 grams weight make it incredibly easy to carry and handle, ideal for on-the-go projects. The FMchip TIS-101 soldering iron is a feature-packed tool, perfect for intricate soldering tasks. Its portability, smart temperature management, and rapid heating capabilities make it a go-to solution for efficient and precise work. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, the TIS-101 delivers unmatched performance in a compact package. The next is Number 1. SEQURE S99 Soldering Iron. The soldering iron is a cutting-edge tool designed for hobbyists, engineers, and professionals engaged in soldering tasks, especially for drone and RC model assembly. This high-performance, anti-static welding pen ensures precision, durability, and ease of use for a wide range of applications. Wide compatibility and temperature range. Supports C245 series soldering iron tips and offers a temperature adjustment range of 50 to 500, 122 to 932 for diverse soldering needs. Versatile power supply options. Operates with PD2, 0x3, 0 QC2, 0x3, 0 PPS, and DC max 21 volts, ensuring compatibility with various power sources for on-the-go work. Intelligent temperature control. features an advanced algorithm for precise temperature compensation and self-calibration, ensuring consistent performance. Durable and anti-static design. Built with industrial-grade materials, the S99 is highly resistant to high temperatures and includes anti-static treatment, protecting sensitive components during use. OLED display and alerts. The 128 by 32 OLED display provides clear, real-time data, while a built-in buzzer offers work reminders for added convenience. Customizable sensitivity. Adjustable sensitivity minimizes interference from environmental factors, ensuring stable and reliable operation. Enhanced user options allows /switching, screen flip for left and right-handed use, and firmware upgrades for personalized and updated functionality. The SEQURE S99 combines innovative features and durability, making it an essential tool for intricate soldering projects. Its intelligent design, high compatibility, and robust materials ensure accurate, reliable performance for professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether you're assembling drones, RC models, or repairing electronics, the SEQURE S99 soldering iron delivers precision and convenience, setting a new standard for portable welding tools, so this is the best option for you to buy.